We have a brand new year with a brand new box and a brand new logo. This also might be the smallest FabFitFun box I have ever received. Now, is that because of the products that I chose? Maybe they're smaller? Possibly. You know why? Because I ordered these a while back and I can't remember a thing about what I ordered. So we're gonna go through this together. Brand new year, brand new box. Are the items in this box actually worth it? Worth the value, worth the time, worth the investment? Let's find out. If you are new to the channel, hi, my name's Nicole. We do beauty, lifestyle, beachy stuff. We do a variety of things here, kind of whatever I feel like that week and whatever you guys are asking for. And today, it's gonna be FabFitFun. Now I'm curious, is the inside of the box still cute? It is! One of my favorite things is about the annual box. We just really go all out. We theme it out. I love a good theme. Now, if you are newer to FabFitFun, just to give you a little bit of insight into what the boxes are, it is not just beauty. It's also a lot of home decor, lifestyle. You could get jewelry in here. You could get kitchenware. There's a variety of things. Literally every time I get my box, Adam wants to know, my husband who loves to cook, what did I get for him this time around? Because last time we got these really cute like little crock pots that he can make soup and things in. He's obsessed, okay? He was immediately wanting to use that for this past winter. If you are interested in this, I have two different codes for you. One is if you want a seasonal box. If you want specifically maybe this box, or maybe you want one for the summer, you can use my code Nichole20 and you can get 20% off. Now, if you are like me and you know you're going to want a quarterly box all year round and you want a little extra treat, if you want a gift with that, go ahead and use my code Nichole20gift and you get a big ol' expensive gift to go with that particular order. And then you get this annually. You get to pick more of your items that way as well. So let's dive in and see what I picked, because I genuinely have no clue what I got in here. I'm literally not sure. Oh, yes! Okay, so with these items, you get to select, if you're unfamiliar, through a big batch of things. It's not just like 2 or 3 things you get to pick from. You get to pick from like, I don't know, 6 to 8 things depending on the category. And I needed another brush, to be honest with you. I've told you guys I'm on a hair journey that is really going well. I have wavy curly hair and I really needed something for brushing out my hair to make sure I'm not getting damage or frizz. And you can use this on damp hair or dry hair. I'm really bad about switching out my brushes. I have a few, but look at this. I love this. I do investigating on all of the things I'm interested in before I make my selections, because these are all really bougie, high-end items. I want to spend my box wisely when I'm making my selections. Look at this brush. Optimal for styling, leave-in hair conditioner when you're doing like hair masks and stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. And obviously it has good ventilation, hence the name of it. Next, what did I order that I totally forgot about? Sunglasses. So sounds like me. If you don't know, I live in Florida, the Sunshine State, although lately you would not know that it was the Sunshine State because winter has been rough, but today we actually have some sunshine. So this unexpected filming that, again, I wasn't planning to do today worked out well. Now let's take a look at the sunglasses in here, and I will be popping up prices on the screen so you can see how much all of these items are worth. Ooh, I forgot how nice these look. I have a whole drawer dedicated to sunglasses that I love. And here's the real test. How do they feel on? Because there's nothing worse than seeing a sunglass, choosing it, and then not liking how it feels. Sometimes they're too tight, or sometimes you can't do like the whole hold the hair back thing when you're out and about shopping and living your life in the wild. Love these, love them. And also if I need to, you know, be a little incognito while I'm out because I don't have makeup on, these are perfect. Love. I'm pretty sure these are pretty pricey too. And the fact that these feel really substantial and not too lightweight, but not too heavy, that's a good combo, because then it's not gonna mess up the makeup when I'm out and about in the hot weather when it eventually gets back here. It'll eventually be warm again, so they tell me. I forgot that this box, I'm remembering now. Okay, so not only did I get this brush that's gonna be great for my hair, but I went through a hair journey of finding the best products in this box for hair. This is the Glossy Glaze, and it's a sheer transparent. This is from DP Hue. I am so excited to have some glossy, gorgeous hair with this product. A 2-minute conditioning glaze for luminous shine. Please and thank you. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I'm already reading the directions like I'm gonna be doing it right now. I'm so funny. Moving on, there's more hair products in here now that I remember. Let's see here. Ooh, Living Proof. I've had products from Living Proof that have all done amazing, so I can't wait for this as well. This is a non-stripping shampoo that is designed to deeply cleanse, removing the buildup. Clarifying detox shampoo. You know, I'm a girl that usually has some scalp issues, so I'm always looking for support with that. So this is going to be amazing. Super duper exciting. What is this? What is that? I don't remember at all. I almost missed it, to be honest with you. So clearly everything I picked this time around was small, so I didn't need a big box. So that's probably why. Cute bag. But what is in here? I don't remember. Oh, did I pick this? I don't remember picking this. Oh, I do remember. It's a necklace. We're gonna mix some metals, but that's okay. You can do that. I have some people don't like to do that, but having a neutral undertone, I find I can go both ways with it and it looks good on my skin. So we're gonna do it because I don't care that I'm wearing a sweatshirt because it's cold outside, you guys. We're getting all fancy. This is how we're going to liven up a sweatshirt look. The clasp work, ooh, it's fancy. I'm not sure at the moment, but I kind of just want to put it on my head like a crown. How do we unlock it? When the fancy jewelry is smarter than me, I don't know what to do. Ooh, I think I got it. I think I got it. Did I go through all that effort just to wear this with a sweatshirt? Yes, I did. Okay, we're super cute, right? Yes, we've got the sunglasses, we've got the fancy necklace. Oh, we're just living our best lives. Okay, and the last thing in here, yes, your girl needs the help right now. It is so dry and curly hair is known to be dry. So this is the all-in-one leave-in conditioner from Moroccan Oil. Ooh, this packaging is so iridescent. I don't even think you could read anything. Can you see any of that? This is for hydration. Instantly detangles 72-hour softness. Y'all, I just did a big deep decleansing last night and I had to use up what was left of my hair mask that I love because I get so many tangles underneath here. So that is going to be amazing. I'm so excited for my new hair care lineup. This arsenal is gonna help me so much. You just wait. Come spring, you're gonna be like, girl, what's going on with your hair? And I'm gonna be like, y'all, I told you how to get these things. Get the secret, save the money. Okay, so now I have to add all this up because even though you guys know the prices right now, I want to give you a grand total. Okay, so adding it up, these sunglasses, 89 doll hairs. And this was a hard month too because there was a lot of stuff now that I'm scrolling through here, all the stuff that I wanted. Oof, it was a hard pickings this time around. This necklace, this tennis necklace, $80. Moroccan hair oil all-in-one, 32 bucks. Vented hairbrush, $20. The Living Proof shampoo is $36. Ooh, and this glossy glaze for your hair is $29 for a total of $286 for this quarter. I'm loving. So what are you guys thinking of FabFitFun? I have now had them for a solid year. I am personally loving them because I feel like I get high-end, high-quality things that I'm not seeing anywhere else, brands I've not even known about. I've been introduced to so many great brands through them. And as you can see, I get enough makeup. Like, I didn't need any more makeup. I wanted some more lifestyle things. I wanted some more hair items, obviously. Like, more than half this darn box is more hair care, which I needed and love. But also, we've got some fun fashion pieces in here and also functional pieces that I can use going forward. I mean, because now we're aiming towards spring, right? So tell me what you're thinking. And again, do not forget to use the code if you want to save some money on this. If you're just wanting one box, use the one code Nichole 20, you save 20%. But if you're gonna want this ongoing, so if you want 20% off and a gift, use my code Nichole20 gift and save that money, friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye.